Answer to that question is that doctors just are not very sure with the cloth masks. A lot of them are homemade. There's not a lot of research done. This is an N95 mask. This is engineered to filter out some of the smallest particles that can possibly be in the air. But this cloth mask, there's not a lot of research behind it, and this is actually homemade. Here's what doctors have to say about it.
It's not typical that Councilwoman Kathleen Murphy sews outside. It's not typical she makes masks for people to avoid spreading coronavirus. But these are not typical times.
I've actually been sewing since I was, as long as I can remember. My Nana taught me when I was little.
Murphy says these are simple stitches from a mask design she printed from online. She had all the materials to make them already, and now she's helping out family and friends. She even made one for the mayor.
When the CDC came out last Friday with their recommendation for every Nashvilleian, every Tennessean to be wearing these because we don't know who is asymptomatic or shedding, I went through my stash and started pulling out the machine and dusting it off. So
Murphy's thinking is every cloth mask she can put in the hands of someone in the public is a mask a healthcare professional won't go without. But are these cloth masks effective?
We can think of them as being barriers that are possibly effective, but probably better than nothing. And certainly they help send the message that we need to participate in social distancing, that there's a pandemic going on. And for people who are symptomatic, they may be more helpful than for the general public to use, but certainly they're safe to use.
Dr. Darav Aronoff says most likely. They likely keep people from expelling COVID-19 from their mouths when they're not showing any symptoms. It's good enough for Murphy to keep on making them.
One less infection spread is one less hospital bed needed, and frees up a nurse and healthcare provider's time to tend to someone else who needs them.
So the masks are reusable, right? And so what you can do, Dr. Aronoff says, is you can wash this with just like some soap or maybe some laundry detergent perhaps. But it's also known that it can be heated to help disinfect some of these masks. So sometimes you could put this into the microwave for a couple minutes to disinfect it. Reporting live, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.